This is the 4th grade Lesson 8 worksheet. Order of operations. The operations can be memorized as gamma, groupings, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, or PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division happen in one group, from left to right and same, and addition and subtraction are similarly grouped. So, if we look at number 1, we have 3 times 4 plus 2. So since multiplication comes before addition in PEMDAS, we're going to multiply 3 times 4 first and then add 2 to it. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. So for number 1, the answer is 14. Number 2, we have 3 times parentheses 4 plus 2 parentheses. So for PEMDAS, the parentheses comes before multiplication, so we have to add what's inside the parentheses first. So 3 times parentheses 4 plus 2, which is 6. When we multiply 3 times 6, we get 18. So number 2 is 18. Number 3, we have 10 divided by 2 times 5. So for here, for PEMDAS, the order of multiplication and division doesn't matter. So first we're going to just divide 10 divided by 2, which is 5, and then multiply it by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so that will be the answer for number 3. Number 4, we have parentheses 9 plus 3 parentheses times 4. So first we're going to use PEMDAS. Parentheses comes first, so we're going to add what's inside the parentheses first, which is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, and then we're going to multiply that number by 4. 12 times 4 is 48, so that will be your answer for number 4. Number 5, we have 5 plus 6 times 3. So multiplication comes first, so we're going to multiply 6 times 3 first. 6 times 3 is 18. 5 plus 18 is 23. Number 6, we have 2 squared times 5. So the number 2 is raised to the power of 2. So we have to multiply the number 2 by itself 2 times. So 2, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 5, which is the same thing as 4 times 5, which is 20. So that will be your answer for number 6. Number 7, 36 divided by 3 squared. So in PEMDAS, the exponent comes first. So 3 squared is the same thing as 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So that will be your answer for number 7. Number 8, we have parentheses 5 squared plus 3 parentheses divided by 4. So again, we solve what's inside the parentheses first. And since exponents come first, we have to multiply 5 by itself 2 times, which is 25, plus 3 parentheses divided by 4. 25 plus 3 is 28, and 28 divided by 4 is just 7, so that will be your answer for number 8. Equations with variables. Find the value of the variable. A variable with a number in front is multiplied by that number. Example, 5n is equal to 5 times n. So for number 1, we have 5 plus a is equal to 17, and we're trying to find the value of a. So in order to find the value of a, we have to get a by itself, meaning we have to subtract 5 from both sides. And 17 minus 5 is 12. So the value of a for number 1 is a equals 12. Number 2, so same thing, we have to get b by itself. So first we subtract 4 from both sides, leaving us with 3b is equal to 12. And from here, we divide both sides by 3 to get b by itself. So 12 divided by, when you divide 3b by 3, it cancels out the 3, leaving b by itself. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so the answer for number 2 is b equals 4. Number 3, So here, first we add the like terms together. So 7c minus 4c is 3c, and then in the same step, we're gonna subtract 5 from both sides. So the 5 cancels out, and 29 minus 5 is 24. And it leaves us with 3c is equal to 24. From here, we divide both sides by 3 to get c by itself. The 3 cancels out, leaving c on its own. 24 divided by 3 is just 8. So the answer for number 3 is c is equal to 8. Number 4, we have 5 times parentheses 3d minus 4 is equal to 100, and we're trying to find the value of d. So first, we divide both sides by 5, leaving us with 3d minus 4 is equal to 20. From here, we add 4 to both sides. 20 plus 4 is 24. And then we divide both sides by 3. So the 3 cancels out. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So number 4, the answer will be d is equal to 8. Number 5. So first we simplify the 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25, leaving us with this equation. And then from here we subtract 25 from both sides. So 43 minus 25 is 18. So the value of e for number 5 is 18. Number 6, so first we're going to simplify what we can. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then we subtract 2 from both sides. 38 minus 2 is 36. And then from here, we're going to multiply 3f times 6 to get 18f equals 36. And then we're going to divide both sides by 18 to get f on its own. So the 18 cancels out. 36 divided by 18 is 2. So f is equal to 2 for number 6. Number 7, so again we subtract 14 from both sides to get 109. G is equal to 109. We divide both sides by 109 to get g is equal to 1. Number 8, so here we have 1 to the power of 51,841. But since the base is 1, no matter what the number is, the simplified version is always going to be 1. So this will be the same thing as 8h times 1 is equal to 48, which is also the same thing as 8h equals 48. And then from here, we divide both sides by 8 to get h is equal to 6. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Number 1. Jack was doing his math homework when he found out that he got a problem wrong. He was solving the expression 5 plus 6 times 3 and got an answer of 33. Part A. What did he do wrong? Part B. What is the correct answer? So, for part A, the question is, what did he do wrong? So basically in PEMDAS, you're supposed to multiply first, because in PEMDAS, the multiplication comes before the addition. So what he did wrong was that he added 5 plus 6 before he multiplied 6 times 3, making him get 33 as his answer. Part B, what is the correct answer? So first we multiply 6 times 3 first, which is 18. So 5 plus 18 is 23. So the correct answer is 23 and not 33. Number 2. 12 bookshelves have the same number of books each. If there are a total of 132 books in the bookshelves, how many books does each bookshelf have? So the way we're going to set this up is 12x is equal to 132, with x representing the amount of books in each bookshelf. So here we divide both sides by 12. The 12 cancels out, leaving x on its own. 132 divided by 12 is 11. So each bookshelf has 11 books.